Good morning. We have to replant the corn. The rabbits ate it and the birds came down and got it. So this time we fenced this all in, which I have a video on that. And we will put fenced it in for the rabbits, and then we have deer netting that we're putting over top of it to keep the birds out. All right, let's get started. Let's go check on the chicks. Just check on the babies here. They're about 3.5 weeks old right now. You want to explain, Toby, what you're doing?
Grab a stick, put it down, another piece of corn by 8 inches, shove it down in 2 inches, then smash it back down so the rabbits won't eat it.
That's the birds. Okay.
That's enough.
Good morning. My granddaughter's here today and we are going to plant tomato and pepper plants. So let's get started with the peppers. I like to plant my impatiens here on this side of the house because it's shaded about 50% of the day, and impatiens love the shade.
How many pulls do you think it's gonna take?
1 for you because you're a mechanic. Whoa! Whoa, I was wrong.
Oh, need to redo the film.
Okay.